Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can fix you were removed from the match due to your IP, VPN machine or cheating. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, make sure that the Epic Games launcher is not running on your PC. To ensure that, go to this arrow icon at bottom right corner of your screen, click on it and check if the Epic Games icon is being displayed inside it. If it is, right-click on it and select Exit. Once done, open the search bar from the taskbar at the bottom and search for Steam. Open the app and make sure you are signed into your account. After signing in, you will be on the home page or the store page. Now, click on the Library tab located at the top of the screen and all of your available installed games will be displayed here. Now, go to the Add a Game section at the bottom left corner of your screen, click on Add a Non-Steam Game, and a dialog box will appear. Simply locate the Epic Games launcher inside it, and then select Add the selected program. After that, open the Epic Games tile and click on Play. Now the Epic Games app will be launched. And if you go to the Library tab, you will be able to play Fortnite without any problem. That's how you can fix you were removed from the match due to your IP, VPN machine or cheating. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.